In this video, we'll demonstrate how to switch user profiles on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about switching user profiles on PS5 and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight to the tutorial steps. If you're already logged into an account, here's what you need to do. Go up to the top and scroll all the way to the right until you reach your profile. Select it, and then you'll find the option to log out or switch users. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the main login screen where you can choose a new user and log in. Alternatively, you can access the Switch User menu by pressing the PlayStation button. Open the Quick menu or the Control panel, navigate to your profile, and there you'll see the option to switch user or log out. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. For further tech tutorials and gaming tips, visit mediamagnet.business.